Hey, do you have any idea what's going on? What is that? Hey, step off. What the hell are these things? What is this thing?
What the hell?
Hey, what did I ever do to you?
Have I been that much of a burden?
Come on, Gordon. You trying to get me into trouble?
I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today, Gordon. You will know it when you see it. I hate to say this, Gordon. I really don't know.
Don't tick me off, Gordon. What are you trying to do?
Big day today, Raymond.
What is this thing?
I built the thing. They said it was hauled from the Challenger Deep. The science team has been tracking your progress with the Black Mesa security system. Unfortunately, so is the military. That suit of yours is full of tracking devices.
All right. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? You know?
We can still climb. Let's go for it.
Yes, let's go.